Hi, I'm James Croft, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a feature in Connect that allows you to check the progress of all of your units at once. Let's take a look. When logged into Connect, you'll see your navbar at the top, your pinned units below, and updates, announcements, and calendar underneath that. You can find your progress in the navbar under My Overall Progress. Let's go there now. Now you can see a progress summary of your first listed unit, which contains information about all the different activity types in Connect. These include grades, objectives, content, discussions, assignments, quizzes, checklists, and surveys. You'll also see your login history. All of the information you can see here is also visible to your teacher. Your teacher may choose to use some or all of these activity types in your Connect units. It really depends on your course. Make sure you refer to any instructions within each unit and familiarize yourself with the unit study guide. If you scroll down, you can see any other units you're enrolled in and expand those out to view the progress of those as well. If your teacher has published a final grade for your unit, you'll see this listed underneath the name and intake on the left. If your study period has concluded, but the unit is continuing on for other students, you'll see a shorter list of activities, but you'll still be able to view your grades, content access, checklists, and login history. If the unit itself is concluded, then it will be removed from your list. Don't worry, your results in Connect are all archived and will be moved into TAFE Queensland's student management system. That's where your overall academic progress is kept. Once you're done, you can get back to My Home by clicking the TAFE Queensland logo. In summary, using the My Overall Progress area in Connect is an easy way to see your progress and results for all of your currently active units in Connect. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.